Hello children, myself Mrs. Akole, class teacher of 3rd standard. Today we are going to study Bal Bharti, lesson number 15, Young Brave Hearts. This lesson is about the young children who show their bravery and courage in difficult situations. Every year bravery awards are given. The 2013 Bravery Awards were given to 25 children below 16 years. This award was given by the Prime Minister. The award is to recognize and honor the children who show their courage and presence of mind. In the age of 8.5 years, Mahika Gupta from Delhi, she got Bharat Award. Children, let's see the great brave act of Mahika Gupta. What she had done. Mahika Gupta went for the pilgrimage place Kedarnath with her family. When they were all taking blessing in the temple, that time suddenly floods came and everyone in their family was separated. Due to the fast flood, she was not able to see any of her family members. She could only hear the voice of his brother crying. However, she wanted to save her life, save her brother's life. She did not know how to swim. She was hit with stones carried by water. Then also bravely she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. She held her brother tightly with her hands to not to move from the flood water for many hours. And when she saw a light, she waved for help. And then they both were rescued. So, she saved her life and her brother's life also. So, Mahika Gupta handled the situation with courage and presence of mind. She is really a brave girl. That's why she got Bravery Award. Now let's see the story of Subham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra, who was given Sanjay Chopra Bravery Award for his great courage. Let's see what he has done. On 11th August 2012, when he was going back home from school, he saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. A crowd had gathered, but they were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were 2 girls in the van. He pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. So, Shubham saved the lives of 2 little girls by putting his own life in danger. So for his brave action, he was given Bravery Award. So every year, National Bravery Awards are given to the young children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring examples for other children. You can read about their acts of courage in the newspaper or on the internet. Now let's see the meanings of hard words. Number 1, conferred means to give somebody an award. Number 2, outstanding means excellent. Number 3, burst into flames means caught fire suddenly. Number 4, inspiring means encouraging one to do something. Thank you.